If your mind won't stop racing and peace feels impossible, this practice will help you in just a few minutes. I'm Harmony Ziba. Get comfortable where you are. Close your eyes and let's restore your natural peace together. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Feel the warmth of your own touch. This simple gesture tells your body, I am present, I am grounded. Now, speak these words with me, out loud or in your mind. I am releasing anxious thoughts. Say it again and feel the truth of it. I am releasing anxious thoughts. With your next breath, imagine every racing thought flowing out of your body like water. See it leaving through your fingertips, your toes, dissolving into the space around you. Place both hands on your heart now. Speak this truth. I am calm in this moment. Again with feeling. I am calm in this moment. Notice your face, your jaw. Is there tension there? Don't try to fix it. Just notice. Now imagine that tension melting like warm wax. Your jaw softens. Your forehead smooths. Your eyes rest deeply in their sockets. Move your awareness to your shoulders. They've been carrying so much weight. Speak this permission. I am allowed to find peace. Feel the truth of those words as your shoulders drop, heavy and relaxed. I'm allowed to find peace. Imagine golden light, warm and soft, beginning at the top of your head. It's pouring over you like honey, slow and sweet. This light is peace. This light is calm. Feel it moving down your forehead, your face, your neck. The golden light flows down your shoulders, your arms, your chest. Everywhere it touches, anxiety dissolves. Peace returns. Calm restores. Speak this with me. I am restoring my natural peace. The golden light continues down your belly, your hips, your legs. Feel the steadiness of your body anchored right here. You're completely present, completely peaceful. I am restoring my natural peace. Now bring one hand back to your heart. Feel your heartbeat. This steady rhythm has been with you all day, all your life. It knows how to find calm. Speak this truth. Peace is my natural state. Say it again, believing it. Peace is my natural state. Think of one small thing happening right now that brings you calm. Maybe your breath. Maybe the stillness. Maybe this very moment. Just one thing. Place that awareness in your heart like a gentle anchor. Now imagine yourself wrapped in the softest blanket of pure presence. This blanket is divine peace. It's surrounding you, centering you, holding you in perfect stillness. Speak these final truths with me. I am enough. I am at peace. I am calm, peaceful, and present. Let those words echo softly in your mind. I am enough. I am at peace. I am calm, peaceful, and present. There's nothing left to do, nothing to figure out, nothing to fix. Your body is steady and grounded. Your mind is quiet. Peace is here, available anytime you choose. Well done, beautiful soul. May you carry this peace wherever you go. Subscribe for more practices that restore your calm. You are present. You are peaceful. Calm is yours.